Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you something that doesn't just belong to the future. It is the future. Meet the Rolling Sky Mansion. Future Luxury Truck House 2035, a moving palace on wheels that will change the way you think about travel, homes, and luxury living forever. At first sight, this futuristic masterpiece looks like a hybrid between a space station and a luxury villa. The exterior design is breathtaking: stacked glass cabins, rounded panoramic walls, and a metallic beige body that shines under the sunlight like a jewel from another planet. It's not just a house, and it's not just a truck. It's a vision of tomorrow. Now let's step inside. The ground floor opens into a futuristic kitchen and dining area. Imagine preparing your meals while looking out at golden autumn forests or snow-covered mountains through massive panoramic windows. Every detail is crafted with modern materials, metallic accents, marble textures, and built-in smart appliances that make cooking feel like science fiction. Next to the kitchen, you'll find the living room. And trust me, this isn't ordinary. Think of luxury sofas, a high-tech entertainment system, and an open lounge filled with natural light pouring through the glass walls. Picture yourself relaxing here, sipping coffee, and watching entire landscapes roll by as your mansion drives across the country. Now let's move upstairs. The second floor is where the master bedroom sits, a true sanctuary. A cozy futuristic bed, soft ambient lighting, and most importantly, 180-degree glass walls. You don't just wake up in a room, you wake up inside nature itself. At the touch of a button, the curtains slide back, and the forest, mountains, or desert outside become part of your living space. But the experience doesn't stop there. The bathroom is a futuristic spa in motion. Imagine stepping into a sleek glass shower, or soaking in a bathtub with the forest view right in front of you. Beige marble, metallic trims, and futuristic lighting turn an ordinary bathroom into something out of a luxury magazine. And finally, the crown jewel of the Rolling Sky Mansion, the Sky Dome Observatory on the top. This circular glass cabin is designed for stargazing, relaxing, or even working. A 360-degree view of the sky and the world around you makes this the most inspiring space you'll ever step into. Imagine being parked on a cliff, with the stars shining above and the earth stretching out beneath you. This is living on another level. The Rolling Sky Mansion is not just a truck house. It is a dream lifestyle, a mobile fortress of luxury, and a vision of future living. Whether you're a traveler, a dreamer, or someone who wants the best of technology and design, this futuristic home on wheels is designed to redefine everything you thought a house could be. So tell me, if you had the chance, would you live in the Rolling Sky Mansion Future Luxury Truck House 2035? Drop your answers in the comments below. And if you loved this futuristic ride, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who dream of the future. Because the future isn't far away, it's already rolling on wheels.